Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to all of us: getting things done. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by tasks and deadlines, or simply wondering how to be more productive, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to share some incredible tips and tricks to help you become a productivity superstar. So, grab a pen and paper, or better yet, let's dive right in. Setting the foundation. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of productivity, let's set the foundation. It all starts with goal setting. Whether it's a big project, a small task, or even a personal goal, defining what you want to achieve is crucial. Remember, the more specific, the better. Write down your goals to give them a tangible presence. Prioritization magic. Now that we have our goals lined up, let's talk prioritization. Not everything is equally important or urgent. The Eisenhower matrix is a fantastic tool for this. Divide your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. This will help you focus on what truly matters. Planning for success. Planning is the secret sauce to productivity. Break your big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Ever heard of the Pomodoro technique? It's all about working intensely for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle a few times and reward yourself with a longer break. It's incredible how much you can get done with focused bursts of energy. Taming distractions. Let's face it, distractions are everywhere. But fear not. You can manage them. Turn off notifications, create a dedicated workspace, and consider using website blockers if you find yourself wandering into the social media abyss. Remember, a little discipline goes a long way. Embracing the power of no, learning to say no, is a superpower. Sometimes, we overcommit ourselves and end up stretched thin. It's perfectly okay to decline tasks that don't align with your priorities or bandwidth. Your time and energy are precious, so spend them wisely. Celebrate progress. As you accomplish tasks, don't forget to celebrate your progress. Treat yourself to something you enjoy: a favorite snack, a short walk, or even a mini dance party. Recognizing your achievements will keep you motivated to keep pushing forward. And there you have it, amazing viewers, our guide to becoming a productivity pro. Remember, it's all about setting clear goals, prioritizing effectively, planning your time, and staying focused. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, so let's make the most of them. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay productive and keep chasing those dreams. You've got this. Thanks for watching.